walking through shadows of who I could be. Feeling something ancient waking up in me. Every heartbeat echoes from a distant time, like 1,000 voices running through my mind. Gizwa malaika sinilami, badala bayangikumbula. I tried to run, I tried to hide, but it was living deep inside. Now I feel it taking over me. Yavuga, yavuga. I feel them near.